Assalamu alaikum. This video is for class 3. Subject is English and this is our 19th lesson. Today we'll cover 2 lessons of English grammar. Lesson number 9, contractions from page 28 to 30, and lesson number 11, prepositions, page 34 and 35. So let's start from lesson number 9, contractions. Students, what is contraction? Definition of a contraction is basically contractions are shortened words that use an apostrophe to combine 2 words into one. Okay? Contractions are shortened words that use an apostrophe to combine 2 words into one. We use contractions in everyday speech and in informal writing. Using contractions are very common in spoken English. The shape of apostrophe and comma is same, but they differ from each other in position. Contractions are most commonly used in spoken English. An apostrophe, see the symbol, goes in the place of the removed letters. जब हम कोई लेटर रिमूव करते हैं तो उसकी जगह पे हम apostrophe लगाते हैं. Usually the letter that is taken away, okay, not every time, but usually the letter that is taken away is a vowel. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, some examples are is not and will not. Okay, these are full forms. And the short form of is not is isn't, will not, won't. Okay, see your homework. Question number 1 is contract the underlined words. Number 1, I am going to the zoo. Underlined words are I and am. I am becomes I'm. I'm going to the zoo. A is removed. So we have used an apostrophe in place of the removed letter A. Number 2, you are my best friend. You are becomes your. How would you say it when you make these words smaller? You're my best friend. Number 3, he is studying in class 3. He is become his. He's studying in class 3. Number 4, we are going to the beach. A is removed. We are becomes we are. We are going to the beach. Number 5, she is the naughtiest girl in the class. She is changes to she is. She's the naughtiest girl in the class. Number 6, they are classmates. And how would you say they are? Once you make them shorter, they are becomes their classmates. So I'm, your, he's, we're, she's, their. These are all contracted forms. Students, when you combine 2 words to make a contraction, you'll always take out some letters. In their place, use an apostrophe. Question number 2. Write the full form of the following words. He'll, they'll, will. These are short forms. Full form of he'll is he will, they'll is they will, we'll, we will. Question number 3. Write the full form of the contracted words. Okay, in this question you're going to write the full form of the shortened words. Number 1. He'll be late to school. The full form of he'll is he will. He will be late to school. Number 2. She'll be coming tomorrow. The full form of she'll is she will. Yes. Number 3. We are going for a practice match this evening. What's the full form of we are? Yes, we are. We are going for a practice match this evening. Number 4. The full form of they've is they have. They have found the missing treasure. Question number 4. Match the contractions to their expanded forms. Short forms are given in one column and short forms are wouldn't, couldn't, hasn't, haven't, isn't, hadn't, wasn't, can't, and don't. Okay, these are match the columns. You have to match the short forms, the contracted forms, to their full forms. The full form of wouldn't is would not, couldn't, could not, hasn't, has not, haven't, have not, isn't, is not, hadn't, had not, wasn't, was not, can't, cannot, don't, do not. Next question is, complete these sentences with appropriate contractions of your own. Number 1 is, I was not happy with what I saw. As you can see, some words are in yellow color. उन words के आपने contractions बनाने हैं. The short form of was not is wasn't. I wasn't happy with what I saw. Number 2. If you are not ready on time, you will miss the train. Okay, in this sentence you are going to contract you are and you will. And the sentence is like, if you're not ready on time, you'll miss the train. You are becomes your, you will becomes you'll. Number 3. We are going to the hall for dance rehearsal. And the contracted form of we are is we are. We are going to the hall for dance rehearsal. Number 4. Is he not coming with us? Question mark. क्या वो हमारे साथ नहीं आ रहा है? Okay, students, in this case, we are going to contract is and not. And we have just read in question number 4, match the columns, that the short form of is not is isn't. Isn't he coming with us? Okay, students, it's all about contractions. Now move on to the next lesson, lesson number 11, prepositions. Okay, what is preposition? A preposition is a word that shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and the other words in a sentence. Preposition is made up of two words actually. Let's look at the first part of this word, pre. The word pre means before, position. Position means place. Preposition are words which are placed before noun. Where are they placed? We're going to study this as well. For example, some prepositions are given like in, near, through, with, by, and behind. These words actually give you information about location, direction, or time. In English sentences, there is no hard and fast rule. There's no clear way of knowing which preposition you need to use. So let's see how they give information about the place, about direction of something. Okay, pay attention to some general use. And your homework of this lesson. Okay, so prepositions are words which tell us where something is. Okay, so question number 1 is complete these sentences with the help of given words. Words are given through, in, behind, and near. Number 1, the water in the pan is boiling. In is preposition here. This preposition in shows the relationship between the water, the pan, and where is the water? The water is in the pan. Why in is the correct preposition here? Because the best way to think about the preposition is being within something, inside the edges of something. Number 2, there's a small cottage behind the trees. Behind is the preposition, and behind shows the relationship between the cottage and the trees. And where's the cottage? Where's the location of this cottage? It's behind. This word behind showing the position of a cottage. Where's the cottage? It's behind the trees. Number 3, the park is near the colony. Near is the preposition. Near means करीब. Park कहाँ है? Colony के करीब ही है. Number 4, the girl was walking through the forest. Okay, students, in, behind, near, and through, these are prepositions. These are the answers. Actually, this preposition through shows the relationship between the girl and the forest. Students, keep in mind one thing. When we talk about through, we mean there is movement from one side to the other. Okay, the girl is moving from one side to the other. Okay, the girl was walking through the forest. So that's why through is the correct preposition in this sentence. Okay, move on to the next question. Complete them by using the correct preposition. Number 1, Daphne did not talk to Stella because she was angry with or for her. You have to choose the correct preposition between with and for. Okay, the answer is with. And the sentence is, Daphne didn't talk to Stella because she was angry with her. With often follows adjectives which refer to reactions and feelings. Okay, she was angry with her. The teacher got angry with them. Number 2, I am very fond on flowers or of flowers. And the correct preposition is of. I'm very fond of flowers, not on. We use the preposition on where we talk about something, the position of something on surfaces. Number 3, the clown entertained the public with or by his tricks. क्लाउन ने पब्लिक को एंटरटेन किया अपने ट्रिक्स के ज़रिए से. बाय मीन्स ज़रिए से, नॉट अपने ट्रिक्स के साथ. विद मीन्स साथ. ओके, look at this last question. Look at the picture. Write 5 sentences in your notebook using prepositions to describe where things are in the picture. And underline the prepositions. Okay, students, look at this picture carefully. You have to write down 5 sentences using prepositions. Okay, tell me, where's the boy? What is he doing? Where's his bag? You can see the ball. Where is the ball? Where are the shoes? Where are the toys? You'll describe all these things. Where is the boy? Yes, boy is sleeping on bed. And the ball is next to the bed. Okay, next to means beside. Okay, करीब ही. The school bag is on the chair. Shoes are under the bed. There are many toys in the cupboard. You can pick one. Airplane. And where's the airplane? Airplane is in the cupboard. Okay, students, this is the end of my lesson. In today's lesson, we've studied about contractions and prepositions. And contractions are short words. When we contract words, we make them smaller. And a preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun and a pronoun. And also tell us where the things are. And I hope you've understood today's lesson. Complete your homework. लास्ट क्वेश्चन, पिक्चर को देखे 5 सेंटेंसेस आपने बनाने हैं, वो आपने नोटबुक पे करना है, बाकी क्वेश्चंस बुक पे ही करने हैं. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.